Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are in the pink of your health and are preparing for your MA English exams. Today I am here with the topic of MEG5 Literary Criticism and Theory. Stay tuned till the end of the video and you will be able to revise the topic in an easier way. So we shall begin now. Question is, how does Roland Barthes differentiate work from a text? Explain. Roland Barthes was born on 12th November 1915 and died on 26th March 1980. He was French literary theorist, essayist, philosopher and critic and semioticist. He was particularly known for developing and extending the field of semiotics through the analysis of variety of science systems, mainly derived from Western popular culture. He was born in Cherbourg, France, and he died in Paris, France. He was BA, MA. His era was in 20th century philosophy and his region was Western philosophy. His main interests were semiotics, narratology, and linguistics. Barthes' description of the object text. When discussing text and work in from work to text, Barthes does not try to define what he means by text but explains the difference between the two concepts based on 7 propositions. Method, genre, science, plurality, filiation, reading, and pleasure. Method. He explains work as a concrete object, something that is definite and complete and can be handled, whereas text in the composition or the meaning of the reader takes from the work and it is not a definite object. Second is genre. Unlike the rigid classifications applied to the work, the text cannot be pigeonholed into a genre or placed in a hierarchical system. Third is science. The work is complete and comprehensive and signified, therefore, it can be categorized and function as a symbolic sign to whatever subject it signifies. The text is incomplete in that it is metonymic, its words and phrases may be exchanged for others with similar meanings or associations. Work has closure and can be interpreted literally, whereas text is open ended. Plurality, the fact or condition of denoting, comprising, or consisting of more than one plural meaning. Filiation, if writing is seen as a work, it is defined by the process of association or authorship. It becomes affiliated and identified with its author and author's previous works. If writing is viewed as a text, then it is not limited and confined to a genre, and the reader does not expect it to fit into a category of a type. Reading. The work is a commodity, a object of consumption, in that the reader tends to be passive and is expected to be fed and entertained when reading. If the reader approaches a text as writing and not as a work, then reading experience becomes interactive. Pleasure. The pleasure of reading classic literary works may feel like consumption since the reader cannot rewrite those texts and thus the distance is created between the reader and the work. If viewed as accessible text, however, a piece of work arouses a feeling of pleasure because there is no separation between the reader and the writer and the text transcends any language or social barriers. Are you reading work or text? So, the next time you pick up something to read, notice whether you are consuming and taking the written word for granted or you are making associations and interacting with the text. And with this, our video has come to an end. I believe that you all have easily understood the topic. Please like, share and comment on the video and subscribe the channel for more details. Thank you and have a nice day.